So, good morning, honorable present here, 23 CST 207 Database Management System, second year, fourth semester, unit number 5, topic Information Retrieval. So, still we go, last class we can see uh, topic database management system and object-oriented database management system and distributed database system. So now we going to see information retrieval. What is information retrieval? Do you know anything? For example, you about thinking in this one, here you know about a human brain. Yes, correct. Uh, like just I like it. Show the one of the representation of picture. So this is a brain. I can first starting from what is your like. For example, frontal lobe, parental lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe, and cerebellum. So this is a cerebellum. This is called coordination. All those things, and this is a vision. This is a reading and language and body awareness test. Taste and touch and pressure and motor control and concentrate and planning of problem solver and speech and smell and hearing and facial recognition. This capability is having in your mind. You can retrieval your data. For example, what is my 12th standard physics teacher? So this is my easily I will tell you because I will tell you a name. Mr. Palniappan is a chemistry teacher. Is one of the my mind. This is the same thing. I am using this information retrieval. Water data I have stored in database easily in get from my query. So select star from my query to easily get my table. What are the things is available my table. This is one of the area. This is one of the process. So this is a overall mind. So capability of one small human being. So agenda, so information, what is the information retrieval and history, problem and structure data and challenges and applications. So this information retrieval is an activity of obtaining information resources and relevant of information need from collection of information resources, or the process actively seeking our information relevant to the topic and in interest. Information retrieval is a finding material and unstructured nature that satisfy an information need from within the larger collections. Example, library, reference, or search. Suppose I want to take a book, for example, database management system book. So you can tell one author, I will search. First, I give a topic wise. Suppose I am forgot, I give a title wise, author wise. Otherwise, I give a book publisher wise. I can easily search my book in the rack in library. So this is a way of client and searching and information retrieval in the area. So first I client receive my query and searching my table and show my retrieval in the area. So this is my architecture. This is my architecture, information retrieval architecture. So first I get the query from user and query operation searching. After retrieval system is waiting for and basic condition of document collection and indexer and document indexer, and after that verified whether is the table is available. I can show the retrieval system and show to my user. The once I receive, for example, alter table name. Suppose what type of table I alter my value means alter table name and set serial number and integer. So once I give my table is alter, after select star from the table name means my show my table is alter. This is one of the condition in the my process. So this is a view of another view of acquisition, modeling, analysis, and raw sources, managed sources, extractions, retrieval, mining and visualization. So first, raw resources overall structure and data structures are available, and managed sources. So I have different part of can be separated and stored in a basic condition of unique ID number. Extraction, if you want to more, I have give some keyword. After that, the keyword can be put into the search box and easily retrieve my data in the particular database. After retrieval, I can show detail. And mining, suppose I want to particular file, I can choose a file. A particular want to my Karthikeyan table name means select star from the table name. Table name is retrieve from my database server and show in my client. And visualization, suppose I want to data visualization, for example, using of a bar chart or bar chart or arrow chart, if any type of using can be used in the area. This is the way to visualization. The visualization is available, easily understand what's going on my area in the 8 sectors. In this concern with the collection of representation and storage organization of accessing manipulation display of the information item necessary to satisfy my those needs. So this is a cyclic form, easily understand for reduce cycles, source selections, query formulation, search and selections, and examination and delivery. This is one of the way to represent my query to getting from my database server. So this is a history. The idea of using compute as we search relevant piece of information was popularized, as we may think, by V. Bush and in 1945. So a statistical machine filled by Emanuel Goldberg 1920-30. The search for document stored on film. Automated information retrieval system were they introduced in the 1950. This is a problem statement. We have using 3 problem statement. Process large document collection quickly and allow more flexible matching operation and allow rank retrieval in the area. So this is already I told about in previous videos. Structured data, unstructured data. So structured data, 80% of business relevant information originate in the unstructured data from primarily. So this is one the structured data. This is the unstructured data in the database. This is a structured data clearly and semantically, and structured data does not have a clear and semantically over so openly based on product invention and personal records. We have using 3 skill point. One is web search and personal information based on your retrieval. Second, domain in specific searches. This is a web search based on billion of documents stored in million of computers. Indexed work efficiency, handling particular aspects of web, and personal information retrieval based on domain specific search and consumer operating system and maintenance of need and sufficient disk space needed in the area. So domain specific corporation of internal documents, database parent and research and journals, and all documents are stored in centralized file in the area. Suppose if you want any journals, I am going to refer the library is a centralized one. I have using based on author name or book name or publisher name. So easily search my books or journal or any other materials. This is a web search architecture. First, IR engine, spidering and internet. So classifier and URL clustering, summarized, web guide, categorize builders, and categorize description tree and search engine index. Once I have received the query from my web user, once I using spider and going to IR engine, the IR engine verify the search engine index basing classify base IR based and URL clustering and summarized and showing my area. Return back to my customer sites. This is the application: text search, ad search, an image, video search, an email search, a question answering system, recommended systems, a desktop search, and an expert finding. These are retrieving relevant document to the query, retrieving from large data sets of document efficiently. This advantage or disadvantages result predictable, easy to explain. Many different features can be incorporated. Eliminate process easy from search. Disadvantages and complex query difficult. Simple query usually don't work well effectively and depends on users. This is my activity. So place connection value. Yes, this is called information retrieval. So once you have entered into the hospital, the medical record room can be stored in this process. Whenever the customer can be returned back, so verify through that one after you can exit in the area. The same place you can go to and verify and take a record and return back to the my customers. This is filling the blanks. Dash is the activity of obtaining information resource relevant to the information need from the collection of information resources. Yeah, that's good. This is called information retrieval.